Welcome back to Project Management Insights. Today we're discussing how to navigate the broader landscape surrounding your project. While your internal team is your crew, understanding the external currents and winds is crucial for a smooth and successful journey. This is where PESTLE analysis comes in, a vital tool right from your project's concept phase. PESTLE is an acronym that stands for political, economic, socio-cultural, technological, legal and environmental factors. A PESTLE analysis involves systematically looking at and understanding these various external factors that could affect your project or organization. It's not just a checklist, it's a way to ask targeted, open-ended questions that reveal potential opportunities and threats before they catch you off guard. Let's think about the types of questions you might ask under each heading during discussions with your project sponsor and other key stakeholders. Political. What's the local and central government's view of this project? Are they likely to object, or could they provide funding? Are there any upcoming policy changes that could impact us? Economic. What are the current economic trends like inflation or interest rates? How might these affect our project's costs or funding availability? Socio-cultural. What are the prevailing cultural attitudes or societal trends that could influence how our project is perceived or adopted? Are there demographic shifts we need to consider? Technological. Are there any emerging technologies that could benefit or disrupt our project? Is our current tech stack up to date, or do we risk becoming obsolete? Legal. Are there new laws or regulations that could affect our project, perhaps around data privacy or labor laws? What permits or licenses do we need? Environmental. How does our project align with sustainable procurement practices? If our project involves outside work, is there any chance of disturbing protected species or sensitive ecosystems? What are the climate change impacts or weather risks relevant to our project? By asking these open questions across each PESTLE topic, you can very quickly establish a comprehensive view of the external environment. This helps you to understand the influences on your project and its management. Once you've gathered this information, the next crucial step is to analyze it. What do these factors truly mean for your project? Which are opportunities you should leverage, and which are threats you need to mitigate? You then need to make plans to deal with what you find. It's critically important to remember that PESTLE analysis is not a one-time activity. The external environment is constantly shifting. You should keep your analysis up to date throughout the entire project lifecycle, and it should be reviewed whenever something significant changes in the external landscape that could potentially impact your project. Understanding and actively managing your project's external environment through PESTLE analysis is a foundational step in proactive project management. Now, let's move on to discuss the important topic of procurement. That's all for today's episode. Be sure to subscribe for more insights into the world of project management. Until next time, keep your projects governed and on track.